Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with the first entry to my 400 subscriber giveaway. I so appreciate all of you who choose to follow me and support and love my channel. I will link the video announcing my challenge in my description box below, as well as at the end of the video. You can see a link to the video as well. But so my first entry, I'm so excited, is from Olivia. She's ORM Crafty Designs here on YouTube, and I will leave her a link to her channel in my description box below as well, so you guys can go check her out. And let's get into what she sent. So my challenge is just for a Memorydex card. That's it. It does need to include some information. Oh my gosh, look. I did see her VR. Thank you, girl, for the love and support. Oh my goodness. I like this paper. And she has this embellishment layered up a few times. And I don't know if you can see, there might be Winka Stella on it. And then she has these beaded swirls, and then this pretty banner with gold foiling that says sweet. Oh, this is cool. So yes, this will be added to my Memorydex box. And then she did include some of her embellishments that she included on this. How pretty. Look at these. And these are layered up as well. Here, let's turn it this way so you can see the sheen. So I'm not sure if that is Winka Stella or if that's how the paper comes. But beautiful. And then, oh, see? Beautiful. Oh, thank you, Liv. Thank you so much again for your love and support and for sending me in your Memorydex card. Let's get some information about her. So she is from New Jersey. Oh, her birthday's coming up in June. Happy early birthday. And her favorite colors are purple, blue, and coral. She likes shabby chic style and bright and bold colors. And like I said, I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below, so you guys can go show her some crafty love. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you want to join in and support me, you just need to send a Memorydex card in. And like I said, I'll leave the link to the original video in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. Thank you so much. If you've liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're here checking me out, I hope you join me here on my journey and decide to subscribe to my channel and watch how the channel grows. So until the next video, shakas.